Now, I notice you've dived into AI. Now, this is something I really love talking to everybody about because it's impacted all of us. And I want to know what you're doing right now with AI.
What am I not doing with AI is the better question, right? And so I think AI is coming in and it's wrecking shop, right? It's taking over, and gone are the days where we can just decide to ignore it. And so now we're kind of like on this upswing to where it's becoming a little bit more commonplace. And so what I whenever I'm doing something on my computer, I always ask myself, is like, can I do this easier, more efficiently, more quickly with AI? And so everything from, creating, like, so I've created information security policies on AI. I have created a study guide so I was studying for the CMMC certified practitioner certification. And I created a study guide and a study tool using a GPT and created that to quiz me on all the material that I had to put in there. Right. So it's AI, it's up and open to your imagination. It just makes things easier, and then it also gives you the ability to solve problems a lot more quickly. Previously, it would take me, a few hours to create a policy, an information security policy, access control policy, or something like that. If I know what I'm expecting to see out of it, I can just submit a prompt and then get the output and then review the output and then make my tweaks after that. And so it's definitely getting us from concept and thought to workable finished product very quickly, and not having to go through several hours of iteration. And so just things that I can do to try to solve problems and try to automate some things or get ideas out, create a plan. Like, just those are very, very good things that help you walk through. And what I would suggest for people that are looking to break in to cybersecurity, GRC, use AI as a tool to do that. And you can use AI as a tool to teach you certain concepts. So like things like, hey, I want to learn, and this is where, like, this another one of my recommendations is learning enough about Python to understand what it's doing. And you can have AI just teach you Python, like literally just put a prompt in, act as a Python instructor and teach me as if I were a 12-year-old all of the basic concepts of how to implement, utilize, and understand Python. Put that in a prompt, and then it will literally structure you out a learning a curriculum to be able to figure that out, right? And so this is like, I look at AI as the ultimate problem solver.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's a great tool. It's a poor master. So for those of you who are going to use it, I definitely encourage you to use it. Absolutely. I use it for everything, but it's not always right. Just remember it. Like, it's not always right. You can't just have it do everything for you. Like, you have to make sure that you read through it. It's better as a tool. It's an incredible tool, but it's a poor master. So I use it for
verify.
Trust but verify. Definitely verify any kind of facts it's telling you, because sometimes it's off. And I would say use it as much as possible, because there's a few things it's teaching me that I'm learning as I go. Is number one is privacy. There's some issues with privacy with it. So it's teaching me, okay, well, maybe I should build my own local one, because if I have a local one on my system, I don't have to worry about that. I can put whatever I want in that one. So I'm learning a lot of stuff. And this actually, AI is why I started getting heavy into cloud.